Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Gina Nurani. I'm from Surya Kencana University. In this video, I want to make a very simple stup bread. Okay, and first we need. After everything is collected, let's start how to make it. First, put sweetened condensed milk. Put milk and coconut milk into the container. After everything is mixed, we cook with a little high fire, then we stir until it boils. Okay, after the coconut milk thickens slightly, we leave it to cool. Okay, after full contain milk, we prepare bread in any container. Okay, we arrange the bread after we cool the coconut milk into the container containing bread. And dip keju. After that, we oreo is to add sweet or any fruit to beauty. Okay, and finally the bread by Gina Nurani, and hopefully this video is useful. Yeah, thank you for watching and good luck. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.